Before painting the tub and tile, we're going in with a Sunnyside TSP heavy duty cleaner. You are going to mix half a cup to 1 gallon of hot water. Use that to clean generously, and please do not forget to use your gloves. Here I'm using a clear silicone to cork the corners of the tub. Running your fingers behind the nozzle would give you a smoother finish. The tub was left to dry overnight, and now we're going in with a Bullseye 123 primer. This primer is going to help the top coat to adhere better to the tub and the tiles. I'm actually only using this paint on the tiles because the tub is a little bit coarse from all the scrubbing we did when removing the old paint. We're not using a whole lot on the tiles themselves, but we are going to use a lot of primer on the mortar because the mortar has a more porous surface, and we need to fill that in order to give the top coat a smoother finish. We are finally going to start painting the tub, and we're using Rust-Oleum's Marine Coatings Topside paint. This paint was especially formulated for use on fiberglass. The paint has a very strong odor, so please use a face mask or respirator while painting. Stir your paint for a few minutes so the paint would turn a bright stark white before using. I'm going to use this set found at the Dollar Tree. It comes with 2 paint rollers for your first and second coat. It also comes with 2 small foam paint brushes, which are perfect for painting the corners of your tub. And it comes with a pair of plastic gloves and of course the paint tray to hold your paint in while painting your tub. This is an absolute steal, and I'll definitely recommend that you go out and buy this before it's no longer available. Honestly, do not understand how this wonderful product is just $1. It probably won't be that cheap for very long, so I'll go pick up a few more for other projects around the house. The TSP was $16. The primer was $10 for the can, and the Rust-Oleum Topside paint cost $26, and I got 2 cans, which amounts to $78. I also got the paint brushes, which was from the Dollar Tree and only cost me $1. So that is $79 to get this project completed. Go ahead and like this video if you like it. If you're interested in seeing how to repair a cracked fiberglass tub, please watch the previous video in this playlist. Go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more home improvement and gardening videos on a budget. This is what the tiles look like after the first coat. You can see there's a lot of missed spots in between the tile. The grout isn't completely painted. Because the grout is a bit lower than the tiles themselves, the foam roller wasn't able to get to it, so I'm going back in with the foam paintbrush to paint the grouts. I have a bathroom makeover video coming very soon. If you're interested in seeing it, please like and subscribe. The bathroom was left to dry completely after every coat, so this project took a few days. If you're interested in doing this, please make arrangements to stay elsewhere or to use another bathroom in your house. Ta-da! Look how great this looks now that it's all finished. I'd insert a picture so you can see before and after. Look at this bathroom. Can you believe this is even the same room? I'm so happy with the way this turned out. It looks like a completely new bathroom. These walls are glistening. They're so bright, so shiny, so clean. And look at the corners of the tub. Like everything just looks so incredible. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. And this has to be my favorite home improvement project thus far. Would you be trying this project? Please let me know by leaving your thoughts and questions in the comments.